nigga that like to stay rolling. I could pull out slab or I might go foreign. In your city we torn, 84s be tipping while I'm wood wheel gripping. All this purple I'm sipping, all this money we making. All these niggas be hating, y'all bitches we taking. Don't get it mistaken, 40 make you get naked. Fucking the world, no protection. All these hoes on my dick, I'm the new Don Juan. My name on the arm, I'm gripping that ass. Just to say thank you every time she give me that cash. If you hearing this shit, man, this shit is too late. If you hearing this shit, man, you gon' hate.
We rollin', we grindin', fifth wheels, we reclining. We rollin', we swingin', drums and singing. We rollin', we swingin', we parking lot pimpin'. We rollin', we grindin', country niggas always shining.
Don't pretend that you enemy, turn a friend to an enemy. If you're fucking with my chips, I sauce your apple, no trilogy. Shit, I chill with the realest, and then I'm spitting, I'm killing. And get no fucks if you're feeling me, bitch, I'm in it to win it. My niggas come for your dome, then I shoot up your home. Send a message crystal clear, you should've left me alone. If you ain't talking bricks and money, shit, don't ring my phone. My niggas don't get out of bed for nothing under a zone. Classy nigga from the country, bitch, get with it, get gone. My teammate one with helping niggas find their way back home. Click pile, look at them hollow tips, I'm spitting the truth. Don't mention my name or look for me unless I sent for you, nigga.
We rollin', we grindin'.